Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The title of this video is not clickbait, and setting this image as your wallpaper will immediately destroy your smartphone. This started with a tweet from Ice Universe. He warned people about not using this wallpaper, but you know how it goes. People will indeed do the thing which they are told not to do. Some people did set this image as their wallpapers and immediately break their smartphones. Also, I know that even though I am seriously telling you guys not to do this, some of you will still try to do that. So that's why I will not give you any links to the original wallpaper. But the story basically goes like this. If you set this image as your wallpaper, then the smartphone will immediately go into a boot loop. This has happened to multiple Samsung smartphones including the S20 Ultra, the Note 10 Plus and other Samsung phones, also Google Pixel phones like the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 4 here. Somehow it did not happen to Huawei phones and Xiaomi phones. iPhones are also immune, and as of now no one has tried it on a OnePlus phone, but I'm pretty sure it will crash OnePluses as well. So sincerely do not try this at all. No one has a confirmed conclusion on why it's been happening. Some say that it confused the smartphone between dark mode and light mode, which in turn made it freak out. Second cause could be that there is some malware file embedded in the code of this image which takes advantage of some vulnerability in the Android system. However, the most credible finding is from Korean tech community. They found that this JPG file has an abnormal Google Skia color profile which causes problems to the phone while in the process of setting the wallpaper. Now if you are one of the, I will say, fools which did set this one as your wallpaper, then you can try a couple of things. Sometimes it gives you 10-second gaps or something like that before restarting, and during that time try to set any other image as the wallpaper ASAP. Other times it will not give the owner enough time to change the wallpaper. In that case you can try booting it into safe mode and then changing the wallpaper. In extreme cases you have to do a factory reset of the smartphone from the boot menu. I hope you have a data backup because you will literally lose everything on the smartphone, and in even very extreme cases you might even have to bring the smartphone to the official service center and give it to the professionals. It's funny guys, going to the smartphone authorized service center, and when they ask you what the problem is, you have to tell that, hey, I just tried a new wallpaper. Again guys, do not try this on any Android smartphone. If someone sends you this image, do yourself a favor and delete it immediately. Let me know your thoughts on your smartphones being destroyed just by a simple wallpaper. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Follow me on Twitter for some quick tech updates like the one we covered today. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.